Look closely at this footage. Hair this flawless, highly reflective and smooth, often called glass hair, behaves almost like a liquid. For years, the beauty industry has positioned this exact texture as a $300 salon luxury. But achieving this result is entirely based on a specific, accessible at-home science. The problem with standard hair care routines is that they are superficial. Common masks and daily conditioners merely coat the surface of your hair shaft with a temporary film. The moment you step into your next shower, that coating washes away, leaving the inner structural damage of your hair completely unaddressed. To fix the damage, you have to bypass the surface entirely using a protocol known as Hair Botox. Despite the name, no needles are involved. It is a biochemical filler process that physically rebuilds a compromised hair fiber from the inside out, replacing missing proteins so the structure holds its shape. Warning tone. Executing this protocol requires strict adherence to specific thermal and chemical steps. If you rush the process, or if you fail at the final high-heat sealing stage, you risk causing severe, catastrophic heat damage to your hair. In the next few minutes, we are going to walk through the exact biological formula you need to mix and the precise flat iron temperatures required to safely execute this protocol on your own. Achieving this level of structural restoration does not require buying expensive brand names. It simply requires you to understand the chemical architecture of your hair and manipulate it directly. Step 1 is the clarification phase. You must start by stripping away the invisible barrier left behind by your daily styling products, natural oils, and silicones. If you skip this deep cleansing step, the entire process will fail. This animated diagram shows exactly why. If that silicone barrier is not removed, your hair strand remains encased in a hardened, opaque outer shell. When you apply your expensive Botox compounds, they cannot penetrate the shaft, bouncing harmlessly away and sliding right off the hair. By using a high-quality clarifying shampoo, you force that shell to fracture and wash away, exposing the true state of your hair. When you step out of the shower, your hair must be completely devoid of conditioner. It should feel raw, slightly tangled, and squeaky clean. Now that you have a clean canvas, it is time to mix the treatment matrix. You will need 3 components: a deep conditioning mask to act as your carrier base, a high-quality liquid collagen, and pure keratin ampules. The biology here is straightforward. Hair is primarily made of protein. When hair gets damaged through bleaching or heat, it develops microscopic hollow gaps in its structure. The keratin and liquid collagen act as microscopic scaffolding, moving in to physically fill those hollow areas and rebuild the broken protein chains. You need to whisk these 3 ingredients together in a preparation bowl until they form a completely uniform, creamy consistency. There should be no separation between the liquid ampules and the dense carrier mask. The foundation of the entire protocol relies on creating this bioidentical filler, a nutrient matrix that your freshly stripped hair will easily recognize, absorb, and seamlessly integrate into its core. With the matrix mixed, rough dry your hair until it is about 80% dry. Then section it into 4 distinct quadrants. This geometry ensures total methodical coverage, so no single strand is left untreated. Take a look at the schematic comparing application methods. You must paint the product onto the hair shaft, leaving an exact 1-inch gap before the root, as shown on the left. If you make the common mistake of saturating the scalp, shown on the right, you will trigger a severe lipid imbalance, resulting in hair that looks incredibly flat and greasy for weeks. Once the product is applied to all 4 quadrants, gather your hair into a shower cap for the thermal activation phase. You will need to apply directional, sustained heat over the cap, using a hairdryer or a thermal heat cap for 10 to 15 minutes. Here is the biological reaction occurring under that cap. Your hair cuticles are overlapping scales that protect the inner core. As the sustained heat hits them, those scales are forced to expand and hinge outward, opening up like tiny doors to pull the collagen and keratin particles inside. After 15 minutes, turn off the heat, but do not wash your hair yet. You must wait through a 30-minute ambient cooling phase. During this half hour, the cuticle doors remain propped open, allowing the hollow center of your hair strand to fully saturate with the treatment. In this protocol, heat is not utilized for styling. It acts as a necessary chemical catalyst to bypass your hair's natural defensive barriers and force absorption. Step 3 is the most critical, the sealing protocol. Take your hair out of the cap and rinse it in the sink, but do not wash it all out. You need a precise rinse ratio. Remove exactly 80. When you run your fingers through your hair, you should still feel a faint chemical slip left behind. Next, take your blow dryer and a flat brush. You must evaporate all the water from your hair by executing a perfectly flat blow dry. Your hair must be 100% dry before you introduce extreme localized heat. Otherwise, you will boil the water inside your hair shaft. Now turn on your flat iron. This data matrix shows your strict temperature constraints based on hair density to prevent permanent structural melting. Fine hair must not exceed 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Medium density maxes out at 375 degrees. Only coarse, thick hair can withstand 400 degrees. Pick your proper threshold and lock it in. To iron correctly, separate your hair into paper-thin layers. You will execute 3 to 5 rapid, sustained passes over each tiny section with the flat iron. As you do this, you will see a startling visual anomaly: thick, heavy steam rolling off the plates. Do not panic. You are not burning your hair. Because you left 20% of the product in, what you are seeing is the harmless, flash evaporation of that remaining chemical slip. This intense thermal ironing serves a single mechanical purpose. It permanently solders those microscopic cuticle doors shut, forcefully trapping the newly injected repair matrix securely inside the hair shaft. When you complete that final pass, the visual indicators of a successful protocol are immediately obvious. You will immediately see the complete elimination of all frizz, replaced by a highly reflective, unified, mirror-like texture. Structurally, this integrity will hold for 4 to 6 weeks. By reapplying the matrix before the previous treatment fully depletes, you prevent the hair from returning to its original damaged state. This allows each subsequent session to build upon a more stable foundation, eventually resulting in a more resilient and consistently smooth fiber. However, there is a common variable that will destroy your hard work prematurely if ignored: nocturnal mechanical friction. How you sleep dictates how long the treatment lasts. Look at this microscopic breakdown of your bedding. On the top, standard cotton fibers act like microscopic barbs. When you toss and turn, the cotton aggressively snags and tears at your newly sealed cuticles. On the bottom, silk fibers are completely smooth, allowing the hair cuticles to glide past unharmed. Swapping to a silk pillowcase drastically reduces cuticle abrasion and extends the lifespan of your treatment. If you want to master more cosmetic chemistry protocols like this, subscribe to the channel. And if you are unsure about what flat iron temperature you need for the sealing phase, drop a comment below with your specific hair density and history, and I will give you tailored thermal advice. Achieving salon-grade perfection does not require an exclusive membership or a massive budget. It is simply a precise biological formula, one you can now master and execute in your own home.